Today we're at 3136 Aberdeen Way in Stonecrest, Georgia. Today is April 1st, 2026. This is regarding an attempt to repair for Mr. Hollis, claim number 0822222444. We are going to be attempting to repair this wind damaged shingle here. We're going to be removing the old fasteners from the two rows above, and then going back and fastening the new shingle with new fasteners. So this is where we'll be working. We'll be working with a roof snake, which is best recommended. Not our best choice, not our favorite choice, but that's what we're doing. That's what we'll be doing today's ATR with, a repair assessment. Old shingles out. Now we'll be going back with the new one. The nails with this tool here, it doesn't go all the way fastened, so we have to go back with the hammer it a couple times. That's 4 nails on that first row. Now on to the second row here. So now the new shingles fasten up in there. You can see the result here. It's an older shingle, so when doing these type of repairs, we are going to have some type of granule loss. But we can see here it's a little bit excessive. I went in and outlined them there. So when attempting to repair the wind damaged shingle, which was the one we took out and this one we replaced with, we see here that when attempting to do that, we're having a domino effect and damaging the 2 rows above that. So when doing that and attempting to do that with the rest of the roof, we're just going to be going back and being counterproductive with these type of repairs on a shingle like this. Now it is 84 degrees out here. There was a little bit of mat transfer. I don't want to go lift them up too much to not create any more damage, but that's a result. In my professional opinion, as a roofer, this repair assessment failed for those reasons mentioned. And this will conclude our repair assessment here at Mr. Hollis's property at 3136 Aberdeen Way in Stonecrest, Georgia.